Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to use function keys on this laptop. So the function keys are located at the top of your keyboard, listed from F1 to F2, from F1 to F12, and they perform different functions. Well, I gotta say that for me, for some reason, they perform secondary functions by default, and to use primary functions you have to hold down the F1 key. This setting is changeable in BIOS, by the way, so you can turn it in the opposite way, but generally speaking these primary functions of the function keys are work exactly the same on each device, on each keyboard, but they are different for each application that you use. For example, F1 will most probably open the help menu in most applications. F5 will refresh or reload the page or save your games if you're playing games. F11 will turn the full screen mode if you're watching a video, and F12 will enable developer options, developer tools in browsers. Now, and for me, to use these primary functions, you have to hold down the F1 key and then use each of these buttons to call these functions. Now, secondary functions for your laptop are unique for your laptop, and they are different for each key. For example, F1 will mute your system audio, F2 will decrease your speaker sound, F3 will increase it, F4 mutes your microphone and it also has a light indicator, F5 will decrease your screen brightness, F6 will increase it, F7 changes the projection type if you are connected to a monitor, F8 puts you on a lock screen, F9 enables airplane mode, F10 toggles your touchpad, F11 changes your backlight, the keyboard backlight level, or basically toggles your keyboard backlight. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.